In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can use Microsoft Excel to do some nice analysis of the Boyd analysis chart. So the Boyd analysis chart looks like this, or this is part of it, and we have different types of phoneme, grapheme chunks. So for instance, we have initial consonants here, like open syllable, phonograms, closed syllables, that sort of thing. And then next we have like hard and soft C and G, right? And we can see that we have how many they got correct versus how many they could have gotten, right? So we can just simply take that kind of information, right, and we can put it into a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, just like I've done here. And we can see here that we have those graphemes or phonograms. We can see the score that they got for that on the Boyd, and we can see how much that they possibly could have gotten, right? So this is kind of useful. What we have here is a table, but it's a little bit difficult to compare. So like one we have here for consonants and vowels, like possible of 15 points. Here we have a possible of 2. So it's kind of hard to compare those two. You know, in both of them we're missing 2, but I think a better way to do that is using percent, right? So let's type in percent. And pretty easy to do a percent. So we just take equals for the formula. We click on the cell we want right here, divided by this cell, and then we hit enter, right? And now we have it as a proportion anyhow. So we hit Control C or Command C in that cell, highlight the remainder cells, and paste that formula back in. And now it's done it for all of those. It's still a little hard to see, so we're going to format those. Highlight them, right click, go to Format Cells. This is a percent, so we can find percentage, and we want only 0. And now it's a little easier to compare. We can say, oh, so for that consonant and vowels, they got 87% of them. Here with the soft G, they have 0%. I want to right align this since it is numeric. And we might want to do a visualization of this. Again, pretty easy. We just highlight those, hit Control, come and highlight this column, and go up to Insert. Bring this down so we can see it. Go up to Insert, Recommended Charts, and the first one, a bar chart. That makes pretty good sense to me. And we can see pretty nicely now how the student is doing, and we can see the areas that are strengths, the areas that maybe need a little more work. So we can see soft and G and soft C. We can see open syllables definitely need a bit more work, and we can see some strengths here with hard and soft G and phonograms, vowels, digraphs, and diphthongs and such. So this video has shown how to